Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a thread on Bluesky. Stick around till the end to learn the steps to create engaging threads effortlessly. So let's get started. Start by opening the Bluesky social app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. On your home screen, click on New Post icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this opens up the post editor. Now, type your first post for the thread and keep in mind that Bluesky has a character limit of 300 per post. And if your message fits within the limit, you can post it as is. And if your thoughts do not fit into a post and you want to continue, then click on the plus icon located just above your keyboard. This adds another post to your thread with a fresh 300 character limit. So write your second post here, and you can repeat the process by tapping the plus icon to add more posts, creating as many entries in your thread as needed. And if you want to add some pictures in your thread, then you can tap on this gallery icon and then you can choose from your gallery. And once you are satisfied with your thread, at the top of the screen, you will notice a button labeled as Post All. So tap on Post All to publish your entire thread at once. After posting, go to your profile to see the thread. Now tap on the first post to open it, and you will see your connected post beneath it in the correct order. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.